good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Carolina Styles, and I am back with another video. As I can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, we are talking about exhaust today. And my brother is getting exhaust done on his Silverado. We actually on the way now to go pick up the Silverado so we can take it to the shop. I had to go back and get that little piece right there for him. I'll show y'all what that is when we get to the truck. Give y'all a small walk around in the truck when I get there and show y'all how the exhaust sound now. And I'm gonna take y'all with me to the shop, let y'all hear how the exhaust sound after that. I don't know, we might have some sneak peeks in this video, man. You never know, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, turn that notification button up. Come rock with the Styles Gang. Y'all know my slogan, y'all know how I get down, man. So, go ahead and put this camera down so we go ahead and get to the truck. Let's get it. Go ahead and let y'all hear how the exhaust sound real quick before I go. Just the first start up. Sound better once I get to the shop, but let me go ahead and get to the shop. I'll pick y'all back up. Let's get it. All right, so you can tell we're getting some new cats and stuff put on the truck. You know what I'm saying? Factory. Yeah, man, this is the truck right here. So I'm gonna just give y'all a little sneak peek of it. Still in work in progress. Sitting on a 3-inch lift with some muds on it. Stocks on muds. Y'all like the setup, if y'all want to trade him for a better setup, y'all let me know. Get it in the comment section below. But finally gonna give y'all actual startup as soon as he decided to get in the truck. Y'all hear how it sound with the Cadillac converter stuff on it. You got a butt showing, got a jaw showing and stuff. I just want to crank it up. I ain't care. Cause it's connected to my phone. Give it a couple revs. Alright, so we ain't gonna show him yet. Anyway, yeah, I knew you was gonna back up when I said that. Anyway, that's gonna be today's video. We already got the exhaust taken care of. A couple days later, the Cadillac converters had some glue on it, had to burn off, so it done stopped smoking. We just took the steps off, looking real good without the steps. So if y'all like this content, make sure y'all let me know, man. Make sure y'all let me know if y'all like this content. I will be bringing more content like this to the channel, more trucks and cars and all that. Mainly more trucks coming to the channel in due time. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn that notification button up. Come rock the Styles Gang. Y'all already know my slogan. 2023, we going up, baby. Y'all catch me in the next video. I'm signing out. Peace.